this video, I'm going to show you how to add build cost into your appraisal or feasibility. The first thing you'll see when we open the build cost tab is prelims, preliminary costs. This is a chance for you to capture anything in your build cost section that is pre-development. So this is usually getting the site set up, things like security, hoarding, site office. You can customize these within your template as well, so every time you can start with a list of assumed costs. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a build phase. So we can bring everything together into one build cost, but ideal if you're doing a residual valuation, for example, or if you want to go a bit more granular, we can do so. And to do that, we will add each different tenure or building or block is completely flexible. Each one of those can become its own build phase. So just for today's purposes, I'm going to work with the affordable housing. My affordable housing area is 5,625 square feet. I know that then my net to gross is 20% extra, so 120%, and I know that my build cost on the affordable is £350. This is what's been agreed on a pounds per square foot basis. We can add as many line items in here as we want, or what we can do is we can just leave this as is and keep it as a high level assumption, which for today I'm going to do. We can always set a contingency as well, either as a percentage or as an amount in your currency. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the open market build cost. Here you can see that the remaining assignable area has been updated. So every time we apply some square footage, Aprao automatically updates the remaining assignable area. So now we've got 19,500 square feet left to assign, which I can bring in one click. Now with that area, I'm able to set the gross to net for the open market, which will leave it 20% extra. And I can set the build cost on a pounds per square foot basis. Or I can do so by setting a fixed price build contract with an amount in your currency. If you want to go into the detail though, it's really easy to break this down. We can go into as many sections as we want and do a full detailed build cost breakdown. Everything can be renamed. You can set the cost on a per square foot basis or on a capital value basis. I'll delete those out. I've set my contingency at 10%. And then you can see when I minimize this, we've now got prelims, affordable housing build and open market build that gives us a total build cost excluding the contingency and a total including contingency. Our appraisal is now starting to take shape.